Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about laces. Laces for your boots and shoes. And some of you are looking like, I don't need to replace my shoelaces right now. Well, right now you don't, but in a situation where you're repairing your shoe otherwise, your laces are going to wear out as well. So, like I did a video, maybe a couple of years now, where I repaired my work boots. Well, since then I've had to replace the laces on those work boots. So having a supply of laces is really advantageous for you to have. One of the other things too is laces can be used for other things than just lacing up your boots or shoes. I keep an extra set in my get home bag, and I keep a set in my backpack for when I go camping. Actually, I keep two sets in my backpack for when I go camping, because there's a lot of different things you can use it for other than just lacing up your shoes or boots. Alright, so think about that. One other thing we have coming up here that I want to talk to you about as well is next year we're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge. And so this year is a perfect time to practice growing stuff indoors to see if you can grow the type of foods you can and want to grow indoors. And you can experiment this year, find out which one works best, and then that way come January 1st, 2025, when we start the food challenge, you're ready to go. So practice growing food indoors. Have an indoor garden, all right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learning a new skill, such as growing food indoors. But learn a new skill every month. And you really do want to grow food indoors so you don't have to buy this crap they're selling at the grocery store as fresh produce, because that's sprayed with all sorts of chemicals in the field, and once it's been harvested it's sprayed with other stuff to either help it ripen while in transit or keep it from over ripening in transit. Foods you don't want in your body, chemicals you don't want in your body. All right, so grow an indoor garden.